Hi guys, this is Crypto. Welcome back to another episode of Resident Evil 6. Last time, we escaped on a bus from City of Chaos and I don't know. You fool! What were we doing last time?
Crypto, you don't have to be mean. Okay, guys. So yeah, last time we were escaping from Chaos City. Barely survived. We killed a fat guy. Ground him up into paste, actually. We also killed a bunch of screaming naked kids. So that was fun. I guess this would be, what, part 6 of the walkthrough? Short, sweet and simple. We beat chapter 1 and now we're on chapter 2. Let's get started. As a quick side note, ow.
90% of the population in Tall Oaks has been infected with the virus. That
Damn.
brings out to about 70,000 hostiles. We also received word that an organization named Neo.
That's a lot of enemies, guys.
Responsibility for the attack. I know what you're thinking.
Neo Umbrella.
Yeah. It's Raccoon City all over again.
That's all the news I've got. Now it's your turn to help me. I need to know what's in that cathedral. I've got suits with everything down my neck for info.
Ooh.
Specifically, Derek C. Simmons.
Simmons. I can't take a guy seriously with a name like that, guys. Simmons.
Hang on.
Hey, Simmons. Just fucking run it over. Really? Oh shit, though. I don't think that should have been enough to kind of derailed our bus, but we're in a pickle, guys. What will we do? Are we gonna die? Are we gonna cry? Will our moms come and save us? Let's find out right now. Helena, I'll save you. No! Don't kill my friends! I worked so hard to protect them! Shit, shit, shit. We need the ammo! Oh shit! Get back! No! Please, get off! No, 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 no! Stay away from me! Oh shit. Okay, we're not dead. Oh! What? Oh my gosh. How are we still alive after all of this? Freaking invulnerable or something. Poor bus guy. I loved you! I loved you, bus guy!
They escaped the infection.
You saved me earlier.
Only to die like this.
No kidding, that's what I'm thinking.
There's no time to grieve. We have to get to the cathedral.
We lost our friends. Loners again. That was really scary.
Leon, Helena, are you okay?
Yeah.
For whatever reason, we're still alive.
For whatever
Through the
reason.
cemetery to reach the cathedral.
Nice.
Well,
Thanks for that.
we've only got 14 rounds left, guys. We lost our shotgun. We lost our healing items. We lost everything but this pistol. Oh shit, there's a zombie. They just keep diving for me. They're like, Brant, I love. Oh shit. Nice. We got a badass over here. I'll hide behind you, Missy Lulu. Yeah, these zombies died for me because they're like, Brant, I love you so much. He's got a shovel. Let's use it against him. Or not. Let's stomp his head in, or he's dead. No! How'd you even fall? Need help?
This way.
You got it.
Okay. She's just like chilling out in that little ditch right there, just like, I like it down here with the dead guys. In this filthy ass water. Come here, you little fucker. I'll fuck you up. No! How? No! Faggot, no! That's not fair. Your sneak attack bullshit is not appreciated. Guys, I'm scared we're not gonna make it. I'm already halfway dead. I barely have any free... Okay, I guess I've got a mag now. Just fucking football charge them and their heads pop. Come here, you little shit. No, please don't hit me. That's right, just throw the fucking shovel at me. I hear you. Come out and play. Or are you scared? I know I'm not. If we can just get this emblem. I'm doing a really good job of finding them. I swear I'm not cheating to find them or anything either. It's just happening. Let's get out of here though. There's too many zombies. Ooh, what? No! That is bullshit! Bullshit! How did I take any damage from that, guys? He didn't have a head, and my neck. Let's get moving. I don't have time to doubt these things. We'll stop on this guy's head, just like that. Oh, okay. This won't give us much, but we gotta get some health items. We're about to die. Let's stomp on his head. No, please, no. Thank you, Helena.
Thanks.
Oh, it's a dog! Oh. That was a little bit easier than I thought it'd be.
Damn it, it's locked.
Come
Typical.
on, then. We'll figure something out. Maybe there's a key.
Oh, shit. What? What is happening, guys? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Oh, that bird kind of scared me. I see you. You and your games. I'm gonna call you James. go freaking MLG with this shit. Oh, I got a bad feeling. Hey, we got a grenade. Oh.
You got it.
Oh, please hurry. I can hear them. They're coming from behind me! Oh! No! Shit, shit monkeys. Shit monkeys. Fucking dog! I almost peed my pants. I'm too scared to go outside. I'm just waiting for that fucking dog. I can hear the zombies too. It's just, I feel better off in here. Get off. Thank you. We have to heal, or else we're gonna die. No. Oh, he's got the key too.
I guess there are worse things than chasing a dog through a cemetery.
Yeah.
Like
It could be
what?
chasing us.
Oh. That's true, that's true. Down you go! I miss karate kicking people though. Ooh, nice moves, Helena. I swear, she might be better than me. Is that sad? Well, time to go all the way back to the cemetery and find this fucking dog. Try not to get killed in the process. Hopefully. We all know how well that might go, though. There... is it that him? Ooh! Pop! Down you go, boy! You've been bad. I told you to sit. And you didn't. Holy crap, you're bulletproof or something. How did I know? Sorry about the interruption, guys. Had some help looking at my cards, having a lot of issues. Anyways, let's get back to the game. Hey, that's not fair, Missy! Ow. Loud. Ooh! Stay away from me.
Karate kick!
They just keep coming. Ooh, shit, it's a dog. Oh. Oh, that was close. Kick eel. Okay. We've got a couple green herbs, but I'd like to try to save those. Create a stronger healing item, you know? Oh shit, I'm out of ammo. Ooh, stay off me. I can't. No! Don't you kill me! Helena! Please save me! Yes. I thought we were gonna die there. I knew I should. I'm just gonna heal myself. Otherwise, we're dead. Ooh! Oh, die! Die, please, die! No! No! Get off me! Okay, I'm out of here. Brent, out! I don't want to die. Oh, it's that dog. He's got the freaking key, too. Die, damn it! Why won't you go down? Die! Ooh! How would not know? Oh, what do? I don't have any ammo. Oh God! There's just so many. Please don't kill me. I need ammo. Ugh. Maybe if we just get behind him. Yes! I am the victor! Oh, ammo! Oh my god, we had shotgun ammo this whole time. When did we get our shotgun back though? We didn't have it earlier. Oh! No, please! Get off me, bitch! Okay, we've got the key.
Now let's get to that cathedral.
We've only got our shotgun left. And we had a grenade that I completely forgot about. I'm so fucking stupid. Okay, this is probably a good place to end this. Like, favorite, subscribe, share my videos. It's been fun. See you guys in the next video.